Laughing.
That's what I give for trying to help somebody.
Go ahead. Oh!
Wait, next.
Yeah.
That's what I get for helping people. Look how her foot just slaps out. Like,
Oh!
I think she beat you, Tommy.
it's like
Go.
my little girl out here.
Edgar.
Edgar,
About to eat it.
thinking that he could get out of this thing easy, and we'll see about that.
You could. It's easy. I just
Go ahead, Edgar.
Be a man.
I know.
Where do you want me to stand?
Right there. Right there. Just walk around right. No, right here. Walk around right here. Walk around right here.
No, he was waiting for you to
Just keep, right. Just keep going right there. A little bit around there somewhere. Hey, somebody push him in the hole.
No, don't push him. Don't push him.
Somewhere around here. Just keep walking around.
Or just stay right there. Just stay posted. Like, just talk to us.
No, I'm not going like this.
How you guys doing?
Hey, what's up?
Just keeping it down for the max, you know.
What's going on
Down for the max. I'm gonna show people what strength's all about, you know. You in a little mud hole. And I'm gonna show them what man versus wild taught me, you know. The season's all about.
Oh, yeah, look it.
I'm in here,
Tell us.
and I'm gonna get out, and I'm gonna end up better than these two right here. Like nothing. I'm standing here. How long do you need me to stand here, Tommy?
Just get up.
You want me to get out now?
See?
You want me to get out now? How do you want me to get out, dog? How do you want me to get out, dog? How?
You know what? No, rewind.
Everybody give it up for. Well, this is the final product of what we did today. Four members did an excellent job. Now we got some serious water flow.
What's up, Hugo? Max, son.
Oh yeah, we said we were gonna interview Luz earlier, huh?
Oh, yeah. Interviewer.
Come on, Luz,
What
this
does it
is your
feel
time to shine. You just kind of tell us what you did today, and how does it feel being the only female in Crew 4? Well, one of the only ones.
Today is, we took out some of the, like, leaves and the window out of the way so, the water can flow. Because all the fishies and all the environment's pretty, mostly in danger.
There you go.
And how does it feel to be the only girl in Crew 4? Feels good because you know what? At least I could show that I am the hardest.
There you go. All right, good job, everybody.
Oh, we're not gonna show little steps?
Oh, I will. You want to tell us about your steps, Edgar?
Well, I mean,
All right, Edgar, you're up.
I'm up.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I was working with Stefan today, and we came up across this little patch right here where the water seemed to be flowing through, but it was kind of some way getting stuck here. It wasn't coming, it was going in fast, but it wasn't coming out equally fast. So then Stefan had a great idea to make this into separate levels, to dig it into different kinds of stairs, you might say. So the water can pick up like velocity as it goes down the little curve, the little steep, so it can pick up faster speed as it goes downstream. And what we did basically, we just dug the sections of this, we dug them out, we traced them out, and we dug them in underneath so that the levels would be almost perfect so that they would bounce with each other, they would bounce out with each other so the water would just come in fast and go out even faster.
So you guys feel that we accomplished our mission today?
Yes.
Do we have water flow?
The whole crew, everybody worked together. This was a mess before we started, and now it's flowing like nothing.
Well, so once again, excellent job, guys. You guys are the best.
Thank you. Crew 3, Crew 4.
Appreciate your efforts.
Thank you.
All right.